Top 5 Best Compact SUVs You Can Buy in 2026. Number 5. The Lexus NX 2026 brings luxury, comfort, and efficiency together in a compact premium SUV package. Starting at around $43,000, the Lexus NX comes with a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine that delivers smooth acceleration and refined everyday performance, with available all-wheel drive for extra confidence in different driving conditions. Inside, the cabin feels modern and upscale, with high-quality materials, a clean dashboard layout, and comfortable seating that makes daily driving feel quiet and relaxed. It is the kind of SUV that focuses more on comfort, refinement, and premium driving experience, rather than trying to feel overly sporty. Number 4. The Tesla Model Y 2026 is a fully electric SUV that focuses on efficiency, technology, and modern everyday usability. Starting at around $45,000, it delivers instant electric acceleration with dual-motor all-wheel drive available for better traction, stability, and performance in different driving conditions. Inside, the cabin feels minimalist and futuristic, with a large central touchscreen, clean interior design, and spacious seating that makes it practical for families and daily commuting. This SUV is built for drivers who want electric performance, low running costs, and advanced technology in a modern package. At number 3. The BMW X3 2026 is a compact luxury SUV that focuses on driving performance, modern technology, and everyday practicality. Starting at around $55,000, it comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine that delivers smooth acceleration and sporty response, with an available all-wheel drive system for enhanced grip and stability in different road conditions. Inside, the cabin feels premium and driver-focused, with high-quality materials, a modern curved display setup, and comfortable seating that balances sportiness with daily usability. This SUV is built for drivers who want a luxury feel with engaging driving dynamics in a compact size. Runner-up at number 2. The Honda CR-V 2026 is one of the most trusted compact SUVs for everyday comfort and long-term reliability. Starting at around $32,000, it comes with a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine that delivers smooth performance and strong fuel efficiency, with available all-wheel drive for added stability in rain, snow, and changing road conditions. Inside, the cabin feels spacious and well-designed, with supportive seating, a clean dashboard layout, and practical technology features that make daily commuting and family use very easy. This SUV is built for drivers who want a balanced mix of comfort, efficiency, and dependable long-term ownership. Taking the number 1 spot. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid 2026 is one of the most efficient and practical compact SUVs for everyday driving. Starting at around $33,000, it comes with a hybrid powertrain that combines strong fuel efficiency with smooth acceleration, along with an electronic all-wheel drive system that adds extra stability and confidence in different road conditions. Inside, the cabin feels functional and comfortable, with a clean layout, user-friendly technology, and enough passenger and cargo space for commuting, family use, and weekend travel. This SUV is designed for drivers who want low running costs without giving up comfort, practicality, or everyday versatility. Your daily drive should feel effortless, not exhausting. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more practical SUV reviews and buying guides.